Welcome. In the video, where we'll start about Facebook, and I will learn about some of the function. Facebook is social network where you can contact friends, family, from and much more. And more in the function. There are the option the create page. What moment? Okay. About create and Facebook. What moment? Blogs, page, groups, event, marketplace, listing, and contact, friends, marketplace, group, videos, event, and much more. History. Facebook can be compared with Twitter because there's two never word, next, and status can be shared, but they are not the same on Twitter. It's comfort network, and it is one of most popular, and most popular is popular and Twitter popular and microblogging. Network that exists today, and its success lies in sending short messenger and gadget tweets. And Facebook is the social network in the most used in the world. In the world, there are about 2.2 million users, and you can friend people, you can account, participate in interest groups, and share, comment, and send and receive messenger, making contact, carry out searches, and be the most smart.